How to transfer Starbucks money to bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser and go to starbucks.com. Then click on the sign in button to sign into your account. Here you simply have to enter your username or email address and then enter your password. Then scroll down and click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed in, click on account and then click on my rewards. If you have got any rewards, then you're going to find it over here. Now, if you do not have any rewards, it also shows you the way how it works so you can gain more rewards. Once you have your rewards, you can simply select the request cash out option. Once you click on that option, enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Make sure that you have linked your credit card or debit card to Starbucks account. After you have linked it, you simply want to select the credit card or debit card or the bank account where you want to transfer the amount and then click on the submit button. You will now be notified that the fund has been transferred to the following bank account or the credit or debit card, and this is how you can transfer Starbucks money to bank. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.